Hello everyone. Today I am going to describe the forms of documentation. Before we proceed, we have to understand what is the documentation. Documentation is a process of collecting, organizing, storing and maintaining record of programs used in different phases of the life cycle of the software. For example, if we want to design a software, we have to follow different phases of life cycle. For example, we have to analyze the requirements of the user, then design it, testing it, implement, maintenance. These are the phases of the software. In between, we have to design a documentation process also, in which we have to record all the documents in the form of any method. So documentation is simply a collecting of records in the life cycle of any software. Then we proceed with the forms of documentation. In forms of documentation, there are others many methods. For example, pseudocode, decision table. But in this video, we have to understand only algorithm and flowchart. Algorithm is simply a set of instruction, or we can say that it is a step-by-step procedure which we want to perform any particular task. This can be simple or can be complex. It depends on our task profile. So, algorithm we have to make it as simple as much as possible so that user can understand it easily. There are many properties of algo. For example, finiteness. Finiteness means it should be measurable and define limited steps of any program. Second one is completeness. Completeness means if we want to perform any particular task, it should be complete. It provide output according to user's requirement. It fulfill our all the objectives of a program. And there can be a specific input and output of a particular program. For example, if we want to find the square root of any number, then there are, in our example, there are three steps. First one, read x variable. X variable means we read the value of x. In second procedure, we find the square root will be real or will be complex by comparison. And the third one is exit. It shows the end of our algo. Okay, understand? Then our second form of documentation is flowchart. Flowchart is a pictorial representation of steps. In algorithm, we describe the steps of a procedure. Okay, in a instruction manner. But in flowchart, we describe it using many symbols, and it also shows the workflow of any program. We included two type of flowchart. First one is system and second one is program flowchart. In system flowchart, it represents the data flow, and in program flowchart, we shows the flow of instruction in a program. We used many symbols in our flowchart. These are, first one is terminator. Terminator shows the starting and ending of any process. And the process describe which operation we want to perform. It represented by any rectangular shape. And the next one is flow line symbol. Flow line symbol shows the flow of any operation in a process. And the next decision. Decision describe Whether our condition is true or false, it is indicated by diamond shaped box. Uh, its answer is depend on many situation or sub process we include in our program. Next one is connection symbols. Symbol shows the uh, uh, flow of any process. It connect different sub process into a single process. Okay, these are the symbols we used in flowchart. So we earlier said we include only algorithm and flowchart. In next video we understand pseudocode code and decision making table. Now thank you everyone.